This will be the back elevator here at the Quinta Inn here in Nashville, Tennessee. This is right near the famous Nissan Stadium where the Tennessee Titans play. It's a 55 with black. Look at this. This is actually the service car in the back of the hotel. Yeah. See? All these floors are locked. But since I am actually staying here, we're going up to 11. Here we are, 11. Okay, you're not going to get it down. Sometimes it does it. This is car 3. To the lobby. Look at that. Yes, all the floors are locked in this hotel, including the parking floors. You're 11. Oh yeah, right here is the MRL cabinet. Very nice and tall elevators. There'll be an elevator here. Yeah. What, going down?
We're going down.
Yes, come on in.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indiana, actually.
Oh, okay.
What part?
Northwest Indiana. Near Chicago.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where I went again. Started with a G. Had a terminal in there
How you enjoying Tennessee so far?
I actually like Tennessee. Even though Nashville's growing and they can't keep up the traffic.
Yep.
too. Alright. Have you tried Gatlinburg yet?
Honestly, it's just crazy how much Nashville has changed in the past 10 years or so. Well, these new high-rise skyscrapers and whatnot. So have a good night. So yeah, that was pretty neat elevator. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.